Well, the inevitable problem has happened. This time it's a broken bit inside the hole I was making for the fourth hole, which always seemed to be trouble. It seemed to be out of line, and I measured it like 4 times. Anyways, the bit just catastrophically broke, and it's a cross bit, which is theoretically better quality than a spade bit, but as you can see, it just snapped off. Wasn't pushing that hard, just blew up. And this is one of the nightmares I've always experienced when dealing with tile, is drilling them out with drilling them out's always a tedious, slow, and prone to problems process. It could be my technique. It could be that I'm using the wrong kind of bit. It could be that any number of things. Prep was okay, so I'm really thinking that I don't understand how to drill through tile all that well, because I've broken, like, I don't know, 4 bits so far on 12 holes, and it's expensive and time consuming to do it this way. I only have 1 bit left, so I'm going to now try to extract that bit from this hole, which is now completely useless unless I can get it empty. And I can't drill it out, it would just make a huge mess. So I'm going to work with a pair of little tiny needle nose pliers, which I happen to own, and try to work that bit out carefully without chipping the tile any further. So let's see how that works out. This stuff is inevitable. You just have to build it into your projects. There's always one thing that goes horribly wrong that you have to recover from. I think actually that's the skill of renovations, is knowing that one thing that can go wrong and either avoiding it or mitigating it. Oh, lucky, lucky. I was very lucky. It was just sitting in the hole. So it looks like I got it out first try, which is a miracle. And now we're going to have to drill that out with the one remaining spade bit that I have, and at least get one panel up. I don't know if I can make 4 holes with that one spade bit. We can try. I just wonder if it's the quality of the bits or my technique. I have a feeling I'm being too rough on these bits. And maybe I should lighten up on them. Pushing too hard.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.